Greetings everyone. I am UDAY Sharma from the EEE Department of Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today, I'm going to discuss about criminal behavior analysis based on complex networks theory. The psychology theory and research focus on the individual factors and situational factors which affect the criminal behavior and on their roles to the internal process of behavior. Although criminal behavior is discussed in all kinds of theories, there is no one theory integrates research results of various theories into a complete theory system. In one word, for the time being, the analysis of criminal behavior is only from single perspective of criminal behavior, such as criminal behavior time, criminal behavior location, harm result, without considering the interaction between the criminal behaviors. Only one at a time is considered, such as criminal behavior time, what time the criminal behavior, how is it, the location, and the harm result. Complex networks is the topological basis of many complex systems in the real world. On the whole characteristics, it's between regulation networks and random networks, having small world effect and scale-free property. These empirical research about the research networks tell us that the complex networks models can be established based on these systems, such as scientist collaboration networks, world trade networks, power networks, transmission networks, internet, World Wide Web, cellular networks, etc. Similarly, being a social phenomenon, crime exists in various social groups and can also be studied by complex network knowledge. Therefore, by using the weighting networks of complex networks, the criminal location relationship network is projected on the criminal location case relationship network and criminal location number relationship network, whose point weight distribution and edge weight distribution are analyzed, and the results of simulation are present. Firstly, criminal location relationship network is structured by using the real data. Secondly, with the criminal location relationship network projected on two kinds of weighting networks: criminal location case relationship network and criminal location number relationship network. Based on these network models are got. Based on these, the network models are got. Thirdly, the two kinds of weighting networks are simulated, and their point weight distributions and edge weight distributions are analyzed. Finally, combining with criminal laws, criminology, and other related knowledge, the suggestions of preventing and striking crimes for the enforcement department and relevant administration section are provided. Let us discuss the network model of this. In order to build a crime location relationship network, the criminal location is regarded as a node. A node point is taken, and this is considered as criminal location. And the similarly relation between the criminal behaviors happening at the same period and having the same imputation as H. Criminal behavior, time period, at the time period are considered as H. We call it criminal location relationship network. We call this criminal location relationship network. The specific strategy of constituting the criminal location relationship network is as follows. The time in which the crime is committed is divided into 4 time periods. Vias or alias midnight, to early morning, afternoon, and evening. All nodes of the networks are divided into two groups, Group A, Group B. The Group A node shows the accusation and the time of the crime. The Group B node shows the criminal location. A shows accusation, means what type of crime it is, and the time period or time of the crime. The B shows the criminal location or where the crime has been take place. The different criminal locations, if there were cases that having the same imputation, the same period, A node belongs to A group and B node belongs to group B is connected by edges. A crime is same happening at the same point, then they are connected by the edges. Weighting networks related to crime location. In order to further study the topology of criminal location relationship networks, the nodes in group A are projected on group B. In this way, two kinds of weighting networks, criminal location case relationship network and criminal location number relationship network, can be obtained. Weighting networks related to criminal location. In the criminal location case relationship network, node represents the criminal location. Node represents criminal location of criminal behavior in the reality. The edge represents that there are cases that having the same accusation. Edge represents the cases which are having the same type or similar type, the same time period. At same time period. Since the same time period between two different criminal locations, point weight denotes the number of criminal cases occurring actually at that place. Edge weight denotes that the absolute value of the criminal case difference value occurring in two neighboring criminal locations. The bigger the point weight, the more attractive the place is, and the more criminal case occurs at the point. The bigger the edge weight, the more different between two criminal locations. Therefore, edge weight in the network belongs to the dissimilar weight. The criminal location number relationship network is similar to the criminal location case relationship network. The difference is that the point weight is of the former is number of people committing to the crime. The point weight of point is number of people committing crime in the place. And the edge weight is value of difference between number of criminal people in two neighborhood criminal locations. As we can see in these diagrams, this is a criminal location case relationship network and criminal location number relationship networks. These red dots denoted are nodes, and we can see here the names or the edges. Each dots are connected through edges, and they have point weights and edge weights through which the criminal behavior is analyzed. Edges. Finally, we can conclude that actually these crime locations with bigger point weight also have rich resources. There are main financial resources of the local financial income. Thus, it's of vital importance to ensure the production safety of these areas. Comprehensive management measures should be taken to prevent and crack down on crimes. For instance, police patrol can be strengthened and the prone to crime period can and areas, and the police should work in crucial time and space to attain the result effectively. In addition, some monitoring equipment should be installed in these areas and kept running. Thank you. This is SHARMA signing off.